Shopping for healthy snacks can be overwhelming and confusing, especially in a health food asylum such as Whole Foods. For me, snacks need to fulfill two requirements: offer some nutrition value so I'm not snacking on empty calories, and they need to hit the pleasure centers of salty, sweet, and crunchy, or any combination of the two. I scoured the shelves of our local Whole Foods. I stood in the aisle with a notepad dissecting nutrition labels, ingredient lists, and finally snacking my way into a midday nap, to bring you the best choices. These snacks are well worth stocking your refrigerator, snack drawer, and your face with. Larabar Crunchy Nut and Seed Bars. Flavor: dark chocolate almond. These crunch-tastic bars are made with simple, whole food ingredients such as sprouted chia seeds. Sprouting unlocks more nutrients for you to absorb: nuts, coconut, and cacao. They're just sweet enough to satisfy a sugar craving while only boasting 7 grams sugar per bar. Per bar, 200 calories, 45 milligrams sodium, 4 grams fiber, 5 grams protein. Brad's Crunchy Kale Chips. Flavor: vampire killer. I know a kale chip is painfully predictable for a dietitian snack roundup, but hear me out, these chips are far superior to any other veggie-based chip I've tried. They're delectably crunchy, exploding with flavor, and pack 5 grams protein into each serving, which is half the container. I can't even with this kale. Per serving, 121 calories, 116 milligrams sodium, 2 grams fiber, 5 grams protein. Buddha Bowl Avocado-licious Popcorn. There are 2 things I love about this light as air popcorn. 1. There are only 4 ingredients: organic popcorn, avocado oil, coconut oil, and Himalayan salt, and no artificial color or flavors. Hear that, Orville Redenbacher? And, 2. It's made with avocado oil, which is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, as well as vitamins A, C, and E. Per serving, 120 calories, 190 milligrams sodium, 5 grams fiber, 2 grams protein. Good culture cottage cheese. This new-to-the-market cottage cheese boasts probiotics, which you won't find in other cottage cheese brands, and makes for a protein-packed snack. Good Culture's range of cottage cheese flavors are made with whole milk from pasture-raised, grass-fed cows and are free of stabilizers and additives. Coupled with a thicker, creamier texture than traditional cottage cheese, this brand is worth seeking out. Per 5.3 ounce container, 150 calories, 450 milligrams sodium, 0 grams fiber, 19 grams protein. Purely Elizabeth granola. Flavor: chocolate and sea salt. Lightly sweetened with coconut sugar and baked with coconut oil, this granola offers chocolatey goodness with a probiotic boost to help support a healthy immune and digestive system. Try it as a salty sweet yogurt topper or simply enjoy it by the handful. Per serving, 130 calories, 120 milligrams sodium, 2 grams fiber, 3 grams protein. Mary's Gone crackers supersede everything. Basically an everything bagel baked into crunchy, whole grain snack crackers. Sturdy enough to take on a bounty of toppings, these crackers are best paired with a spreadable cheese wedge, such as Kerrygold Dubliner, hummus, or egg salad. Per serving, 150 calories, 220 milligrams sodium, 3 grams fiber, 3 grams protein. With a transparent ingredient list of only 7 items and 0 added sugar, these bars get their sticky sweetness from dates and provide up to 24% of your daily fiber goal, plus a hit of quality protein from egg whites and nuts. Per bar, 210 calories, 130 milligrams sodium, 5 grams fiber, 12 grams protein. Way better snacks: black bean tortilla chips. Made with sprouted grains and seeds, these bean-based chips were a staff favorite for many reasons. A toasty flavor with hints of garlic and onion, and a delicately crisp texture make them a delicious dip-less choice. Bonus: each serving boasts over 270 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. Per serving, 120 calories, 80 milligrams sodium, 3 grams fiber, 3 grams protein. Harvest Snap Pea Crisps. Kid-friendly, think green Cheetos, and 70% made from whole peas, these light as air crisps are perfectly salted and powered by plant protein. If you can't get your daily vegetable quota in any other way, at least keep a bag of these at your disposal. Per serving, 110 calories, 50 milligrams sodium, 4 grams fiber, 5 grams protein. 365 Strider's Snack Trail Mix. A protein-rich mix of heart-healthy almonds, walnuts, cashews, and hazelnuts await you in this low-sugar, sodium-free trail mix. Raisins add just the right dose of sticky sweetness to counter the crunch. Per serving, 140 calories, 0 milligrams sodium, 2 grams fiber, 4 grams protein.